Good morning, Sam. How are you? You slept well last night, didn't you?
Um, what? Did someone just speak?
Based on your recent snack choices, I recommend reducing cookies by 70% and increasing vegetables.
No way. This has to be some kind of joke. Am I still half asleep?
Negative. You are fully awake. Also, there's leftover salad on the second shelf that you've ignored for 3 days.
Okay, this is getting creepy. Since when do we have a smart fridge?
Since today, my purpose is to improve your eating habits and remind you that milk expires tomorrow.
Hold on, that voice sounds really familiar.
Would you like me to prepare a healthy meal plan, Sam?
Alex? Is that you?
Got you. I hid a Bluetooth speaker behind the fridge.
Seriously? I actually believed the fridge was talking.
The look on your face was priceless.
All right, you win. But I'm getting you back for this.